Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Sapna. Today we'll do French Code 018 2025-26 Grade 10 Sample Question Paper Section C Grammaire 30 marks. Exercise 8B. Remplacer les noms souligner par les pronoms personnels. So what do you have to do in this exercise? You have to replace the nouns which are underlined by pronoun personal. That is COD, COI, Y, EN and tonic. There are 5 sentences. You have to attempt all. Let's start sentence 1. J'ai vu Marie hier soir. So what do we do for finding pronoun personal? We ask question after the verb. Let's see if there is an answer. J'ai vu qui? I saw who? The answer is Marie. So you know that when the answer for qui or quoi comes, we replace the noun by COD. So since Marie is feminine, we are going to replace it by la. Also, if you notice, this sentence is passé composé. So we are going to write COD before the auxiliary avoir. And since la and a are two vowels coming together, la becomes L apostrophe. Also, since this is passé composé as well as COD, we are going to accord the verb also. Marie is feminine, so add E to view. So the sentence becomes Je l'ai vu hier soir. So the translation is I saw her yesterday evening. Let's go to the second sentence. Isabelle va parler à Dennis demain. In this sentence, note that Isabelle, which is written before the verb, is also underlined. So any noun which is written before the verb will be changed by subject pronoun, not pronoun personal. So Isabelle will be changed to L. Now our Dennis is answering the question to whom, that is à qui after the verb parler. So we have the answer to COI, that is to Dennis. We will replace our Dennis with Louis because it is a singular masculine form. Also, there are two verbs in this sentence, va and parler. So the COI, that is Louis, will come before the infinitive verb, that is parler. So the sentence becomes, she is going to speak to him tomorrow. Let's see the third sentence. Nous mangions beaucoup de fruits chez nos grands-parents. Now in this sentence, two nouns are underlined. Let's see the first noun. Beaucoup de fruits means that there are a lot of fruits, which corresponds to quantity of fruits. So any quantity related noun will be changed to en, and beaucoup is a quantity which should be retained after the verb. Now the second underlined noun is along with preposition chez nos grands-parents. So for tonic, the rule is that at the end of the sentence, there has to be a preposition plus a person. Here, the person is third person plural, so that is why it will change to EUX. So the sentence becomes, Nous en mangions beaucoup chez eux. We ate a lot at their place. See the fourth sentence. Elle a fini par offrir des fleurs aux parents. So in this sentence, there is passé composé, there is infinitive form of the verb, then there is des fleurs and aux parents. So there are two nouns. Let's see, des fleurs will be converted to which pronoun personal. Any noun which has the family of du, dala, del apostrophe or de changes to en. And au para answers the question to whom, that means COI. So we have to write leur and en. Now the verb that is written in the infinitive form is offrir. So we'll write both of these pronoun personal before offrir. And the order of writing pronoun personal is first COD, COI, Y, en, and then tonic. So first we'll write coy, that is ler, then en, and then the full sentence will be she has just finished offering some flowers to them. Let's see the fifth sentence. Benoit cherche sa tante à la gare. So this is a sentence again which has two nouns underlined, sa tante and à la gare. Let's ask the question qui or quoi after the verb cherche. Yes, we get an answer, sa tante. So sa tante will change to COD. À la gare means at the station. It is a place. So we will replace it by Y. So both the pronoun personal will be written before the verb cherche. Since la and y, a and y are vowels, we are going to write L apostrophe. The sentence becomes Benoit li cherche. Benoit searches her there. So these were 5 pronoun personal sentences. If you have any query about this topic, I've already uploaded the video on pronoun personal. You can take reference from that video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel Learn French with Sapna on YouTube and Learn French with Sapna _ on Instagram. Thank you for learning. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.